What's bothering you?
I have an essay tomorrow and I don't even know how to start it.
Okay, don't worry. I'll explain it to you. We only need a few minutes. Let's start with the basics. So it has 4 parts: the introduction, arguments for, arguments against, and the conclusion.
Okay, take a look at my introduction.
Okay. No. You introduce the topic in a neutral way. Don't give your opinion yet. Just explain what the issue is and maybe add a question or a general statement just to make it interesting.
Okay, got it, thank you. How will I come up with arguments?
I'll show you in the library. Let's go.
Stop arguing. You can't be in the same paragraph. Separate. Arguments for are.
Topics are general, so everyone can write about it. The essay follows a simple structure.
Arguments against are.
Language and grammar are hard.
It's not easy to come up with an equal number of arguments.
On which program are those English lessons?
What is a concept?
Concept is a plan.
Well, do I need it?
Well, no, but it's useful.
But what do I write in it?
Just notes. Oh, here they are. Now we are going to talk about the middle part of our essay. It consists of 2 paragraphs, one for and one against. Each paragraph should have topic sentence and arguments. But what is a topic sentence? For those of you who don't know what a topic sentence is very important, and it introduces the main idea of your paragraph. Arguments should be objective, explained, separated, and there should be the same number of them in each paragraph. You can only use 1 argument, you need at least 2, but you shouldn't use more than 3 because you won't have enough time. Okay, now I understand it a bit better.
And the conclusion?
That's where you give your opinion. Summarize both sides briefly, then say what you think, like, although there are good points on both sides, I believe.
Okay, perfect, thank you. Now I actually know how to write it.
No problem. See you later.